Hey, it's the Killer51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Ghostek Atomic Slim 2 for the iPhone XR. You can pick it up on Amazon, links are in the description. The price $25. So you get 4 colors to choose from. You get black, gold, pink, red. So I went with the black color, so let's take a look at the features. They're right on the box. So it says 2 times military standard drop tested, multi-layer protection, aluminium alloy frame, limited time warranty, non-slip grip. And if we open this up, as you can see, you can take a look what it tells you. And then here's the case, what it looks like. So now let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get inside. So let's go ahead and open this up, and of course I ripped it. Okay, so now let's throw the box to the side. So here is the case. Okay, let's put this to the side. We get Ghostek, as you can see here. And then we get Welcome Agent. And then you get a free 5,000 milliamp power bank. And it tells you how you can enter. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And then it says, thank you for your purchase, Agent, which is pretty cool. So now let's put this stuff to the side. So here is the case. So it's pretty cool. So you get your cutouts, your buttons, your cutouts, your buttons, your cutouts. So now let's go ahead and slap onto my iPhone XR here. So as you can see, so let's check the buttons here. So the buttons work, aluminium buttons, as you see. The volume up and down of course works. You get your cutout for your mute and silent switch. And then at the bottom you get your cutouts for your speakers, your mic, your lightning adapter. And at the back of course you get your screen protector for the back, so it shows off the color that you have. And of course you get your cutout for your camera, your flash, and other stuff. And so yeah, so now let's check if wireless charging does work on this. So let's go ahead and set it on a wireless charging pad. So as you can see, the LED light is on, and as you see, it's wirelessly charging. And so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.